Machiegni Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto wacho ni twak mar loko chik omenda mong'ere kaka Finance Bill 2023 onego rum mapiyo mar reso chenro ma piny owacho ne jopiny. Ruto nomedo siro paro mar ng'ado atamalo 3 mar osara ne chenro mar gero ute ma nengogi oyweyo. Ruto jiwo ni chenrono biro miyo oganda ute moger e yo makare, ka bende obiro juolo thuolo mang'eny e kar tije mag rowere. Kanoloso e romo moro e kaunti ma Embu, Ruto nokwedo ji mapingo chenro mar udi ma sirikal chano gerogo.
Wanapiga makelele, hata ukifanya nini hawezi ona. Kwa hivyo tungeuliza kama hataki kuona, wafunge macho, kazi iendelee. Na kwa sababu hawezi funga macho forever, wakifungua watakuta kazi imefanyika. Rais wetu, the truth of the matter ni ya kwamba affordable housing ni ya kumaliza mambo ya slums. We are inviting our detractors, if they find affordable housing cannot solve the issue of the slums, to give us their plan. Watuambie hii slums tutamaliza na njia gani. Your Excellency, affordable housing, as you have rightly put it, is to create employment for millions of our young people.
So wale wananiuliza hii housing mbona iko urgent sana kwako? Mimi nawaambia what is urgent to me ni millions of young people who are walking our streets and villages when they don't have jobs. That is urgent. And I want one leader. I want one parent who tells me it is not urgent for us to fix the unemployment problem in Kenya. Kunaye mmoja kweli ambaye atasema sio urgent? Sisi wote tunakubaliana ya kwamba tupange ajira ya hawa vijana. That is the reason why we are doing housing.
Riwruok johala midendo ni the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce